Who is Benjamin Graham? Ever wonder who helped shape some of the brightest minds on Wall Street and establish the foundation for contemporary investing? Come along on an insightful trip through the life and legacy of value investing pioneer Benjamin Graham. However, who was Benjamin Graham and what mysteries did he solve that molded the modern investing environment? What timeless lessons did he convey that still help investors make sense of the complex financial markets? Join us as we explore Benjamin Graham's world and the secret tale of the man who transformed investing. Are you prepared to decipher the keys to profitable investment and find the knowledge that has motivated investors for decades to come? Early life and education. Benjamin Graham's early years prepared him for his role as a financial pioneer. Graham, who was born in London in 1894, moved to New York City at an early age together with his family. Graham, who was raised in the Bronx, showed a sharp mind and an insatiable curiosity. He came from humble beginnings, but he was a standout student in school, winning a scholarship to Columbia University to follow his love of finance. Graham really showed off his academic abilities at Columbia. Graham gained a thorough grasp of financial markets and refined his analytical abilities under the guidance of well-known economist David Dodd. In addition to molding his intellectual curiosity, this formative time helped pave the way for his seminal contributions to the field of investment analysis. Graham's success in finance later in life was largely attributed to his schooling at Columbia University. Graham flourished intellectually in New York City's dynamic intellectual milieu and welcomed the chance to interact with top researchers and professionals in the area. He gained a strong theoretical basis in finance from his studies at Columbia, and his desire to make significant contributions to the discipline was stoked by his encounters with professionals in the business. Graham's experience at Columbia not only gave him the information and abilities needed for success, but it also cultivated a lifelong love of study and a curious mind. Graham's education also went beyond the classroom as he gained real-world experience and internships in the banking industry. Graham looked for chances to obtain practical experience in the financial sector because he was eager to put his academic knowledge to use in practical situations. These early encounters molded Graham's practical approach to investment research and gave priceless insights into the inner workings of financial markets. Graham paved the way for his future as a financial trailblazer by fusing academic rigor with real-world experience. This helped pave the way for his revolutionary work in investment theory and practice. Security analysis and innovation. Co-authored by David Dodd and Benjamin Graham, Security Analysis was originally published in 1934 and is regarded as a foundational work that transformed the discipline of investment analysis. Fundamentally, the book presented novel ideas that went against accepted wisdom in the market and established the groundwork for contemporary security research. Among the most important ideas Graham and Dodd proposed was the margin of safety, which stressed the need to purchase assets at a discount to their inherent worth. Value investing is still based on this tenet, which protected investors from the volatility of the financial markets. Furthermore, security analysis popularized the notion of evaluating equities according to their intrinsic qualities as opposed to merely depending on speculative sentiment or market trends. Graham and Dodd promoted a methodical approach to investment analysis, stressing the value of careful investigation, methodical analysis, and an emphasis on long-term value. The book gave investors a foundation for confidently navigating the intricacies of financial markets and making well-informed judgments by endorsing a logical and methodical approach to securities evaluation. Moreover, security analysis helped investors reframe their perspective on risk and return. Graham and Dodd disproved the conventional wisdom that greater profits could only be attained by taking on greater risk by emphasizing basic analysis and the margin of safety. Rather, they showed how careful investing may reduce risk and produce higher profits in the long run. Security analysis established a new age of value investing and set the foundation for Benjamin Graham's long-lasting reputation as the father of value investing by presenting a more logical and cautious approach to investment. The Intelligent Investor and Enduring Influence. Benjamin Graham's 1949 publication, The Intelligent Investor, is regarded as a classic that endures the test of time, providing investors with timeless insight and useful advice. Fundamentally, the book is a thorough manual on value investing, a concept that Graham originated and that still influences the current state of the financial industry. Based on the ideas of reason, self-control, and caution, The Intelligent Investor provides investors with a roadmap for navigating the volatile world of the financial markets with assurance and discernment. A fundamental principle of The Intelligent Investor is value investing, which promotes buying stocks at a discount to their intrinsic worth. Graham thought that the market frequently overvalues or undervalues securities, giving shrewd investors the chance to purchase low and sell high. Investors can find inexpensive stocks with significant growth potential and create a long-lasting portfolio by concentrating on the individual company fundamentals rather than market trends or speculative excitement. The value investing tenet, which was succinctly stated in The Intelligent Investor, is still a pillar of investment philosophy and serves as a roadmap for anyone looking to make long-term financial gains. Furthermore, The Intelligent Investor emphasizes how crucial emotional fortitude and methodical analysis are while making financial decisions. Graham cautions investors about the perils of giving in to speculative impulses and market swings, advising them to stay on a steady course and follow a well-defined investing strategy. In order to help investors traverse the emotional roller coaster of investing and maintain focus on their long-term financial goals, the book emphasizes the significance of regulating one's emotions and adhering to a sensible investment approach. Moreover, The Intelligent Investor continues to have a profound impact well after it was first published, influencing the investment philosophies of innumerable professionals and academics across the globe. Benjamin Graham's student and one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett, has frequently named The Intelligent Investor as one of the most influential books he has ever read. Value investors look for cheap stocks and take advantage of market inefficiencies, and their techniques are still guided by the ideas presented in the book. All things considered, The Intelligent Investor is still a timeless classic that gives investors the inspiration and tools they need to successfully negotiate the complexities of the financial markets with fortitude, intelligence, and confidence. Mentorship and influence. Beyond the pages of his books, Benjamin Graham influenced and mentored countless numbers of investors, permanently altering the financial landscape. In his capacity as a professor at Columbia Business School, Graham guided a number of pupils who would go on to become Wall Street titans such as Warren Buffett, who is well known for having called Graham his greatest mentor. Graham imparted to his students a deep knowledge of the use of reason, self-control, and long-term thinking in navigating financial markets, in addition to the theoretical underpinnings of investment analysis. Graham was a mentor who had an impact outside of the classroom because he actively connected with his mentees and shared wisdom and practical advice from his own experiences. His pupils adopted his emphasis on fundamental analysis and the margin of safety into their investment philosophies, and they would go on to use these ideas to great effect in their own careers. Through his mentoring, Graham fostered a group of investors who were committed to value investing and disciplined investing methods. Furthermore, Graham's impact shaped the financial industry as a whole in addition to his immediate mentees. Graham spread his views to a larger audience through his writings, speeches, and public appearances, encouraging innumerable investors to follow his guidelines and tactics. Graham's mentoring has had a lasting impact on investors worldwide, who aspire to imitate his methodical approach to investing and are motivated by his timeless wisdom. Value investing principles gained widespread recognition and were greatly influenced by Benjamin Graham, whose mentorship and influence shaped the careers and mindsets of some of the greatest investors in history. Investors are still motivated and guided by his legacy as a mentor and thought leader, who emphasizes the value of reason, self-control, and a long-term outlook in achieving financial success. Legacy. In the field of finance, Benjamin Graham has left a lasting legacy of great influence. Known as the father of value investing, Graham transformed the area of financial analysis and created the foundation for succeeding investing generations. His innovative concepts and ageless insight continue to influence the investment environment and act as a beacon of guidance for those looking to approach the intricacies of the financial markets with caution and self-control. Graham's invention of the idea of value investing, which stresses purchasing securities at prices below their inherent worth, is one of his most important contributions to the finance industry. This idea, which he first presented in his groundbreaking books, Security Analysis and The Intelligent Investor, has grown to be a tenet of value investing globally and has become a cornerstone of investment philosophy. Graham's focus on margin of safety and fundamental analysis has endured, giving investors a logical foundation for making well-informed investing decisions. As the founder of value investing, Benjamin Graham leaves behind a lasting and significant legacy. His innovative concepts and ageless wisdom will continue to influence investors' approaches to financial markets and act as a light of reason, self-control, and caution for future generations. One thing is certain when we consider his contributions: investors will continue to draw inspiration and guidance from Benjamin Graham's legacy as they pursue financial success. Subscribe now to delve deeper into the timeless wisdom of Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing.